Hello and welcome to a brief introduction to AsTeRICS. AsTeRICS is an international research and development project where 9 European partner organizations work together to develop a flexible system for user-tailored assistive technologies. The term AsTeRICS stands for Assistive Technology Rapid Integration and Construction Set. This describes the main purpose of the system quite well: the easy and efficient creation of new, highly individualized assistive technology applications. One problem of existing assistive technology devices is that they can hardly be adapted or combined to support individual capabilities of the user. Usually, these devices work in a defined setup and their function cannot be changed or applied in different use cases. The main advantage of the AsTeRICS system is its versatility. It allows combination of sensor technologies to find efficient input methods for a particular person, and these input methods can then be used for a wide range of applications, from mouse or keyboard replacement to smart home control, mobile phone accessibility or gaming support. AsTeRICS can connect to classic AT input devices like simple switches or special mice or joysticks, but it also supports novel interaction techniques like camera-based input, head and eye tracking, or brain-computer interfaces and computer control via bioelectric signals. This flexibility becomes possible because of the open AsTeRICS architecture, which basically allows the interconnection of plugins for sensors, processing elements, and actuators. A desired AsTeRICS application, also called model, can be easily created in a graphical software tool called the AsTeRICS Configuration Suite. Here, AsTeRICS models are designed without writing a single line of programming code, just by connecting and adjusting desired plugins. For mobile use, the AsTeRICS partners developed a dedicated hardware with modular interfaces for desired sensors and actuators, the personal platform. Depending on the kind of application, suitable interface modules are inserted into the platform and provide the desired input and output capabilities. An optional LC display with touchscreen can be connected to the platform to display an on-screen keyboard or buttons and sliders to change essential model parameters. So let's have a look at some of the possible use cases and applications of the AsTeRICS system. One important AsTeRICS application is computer control via alternative input methods. For this purpose, a separate module has been developed, the HID actuator. This USB dongle behaves exactly like a mouse, keyboard or joystick when plugged into a target computer. The difference is that the control signals are transferred wirelessly from the AsTeRICS platform. No additional software installation is needed on the target computer. Here we see a model for mouse control via a webcam and head tracking plugin. Head movements are directly translated into mouse movements. Clicks can be performed by dwell time or external switches. Several other input methods are possible. For example, a zip-puff sensor for interaction via breathing, simple switches and their combination, a bend sensor which measures flexing of limbs, fingers or toes, the Enobio wireless sensor cap by AsTeRICS partner StarLab for measuring brain waves, eye blinks, eye movements or muscle activities, or the Oscar on-screen keyboard application, which can be freely configured via a dedicated editor. Oscar cells can be selected via the Mimo touchscreen, by other sensors or by different scanning techniques. All these input methods can be used to control desired actuators. Here are some interesting options. Infrared remote control of home or entertainment devices. Home control and ambient assisted living applications via a Connex home automation network. Door openers like the attachable door opener system by the Austrian startup company Abotic. Or game control of a PlayStation 3 game console. Other possible actuators include electric devices which may be switched on or off, mechatronic systems like the pneumatic gripper by AsTeRICS partner KII, toys or even robots. Currently about 80 different AsTeRICS plugins already exist, and the system continues to grow due to the contributions of AsTeRICS developers and the open source community. A collection of models for different applications and tutorials for model creation and developing of own AsTeRICS plugins are available for download. Please have a look at the AsTeRICS homepage for updates and of course for the free downloads of the AsTeRICS runtime system and the source code packages. If you are interested in plugin development, for example to support your own product or device in the AsTeRICS framework, you will find extensive information in the developer manual. I hope you enjoyed this brief introduction to our project. We appreciate your feedback and your suggestions for extensions or useful plugins. Thank you for your attention.